Welcome to Small Code Learns.
In this video, we will see about ref and out keywords. In C#, ref and out are parameter modifiers used to pass arguments by reference to methods, allowing the method to modify the value of the variable used in the method call. However, they differ in behavior and use case. Let's see what ref keyword is and how it is used. Ref keyword is used to pass a variable by reference. The variable must be initialized before passing it. If you forget to initialize a ref variable, the compiler will generate a compile time error. The method can read and modify the value. It supports two-way data flow. The method receives the original value, can change it, and the updated value is reflected outside the method. Use ref when you want to pass an existing variable into a method so that any modifications made inside the method affect the original variable. Let's consider adding two integer values. Here, I am going to create a class named reference_parameter. Inside this class, I create the main method, which is the entry point of the program. Next, declaring and initializing two separate integer variables. Variable value 1 is assigned the value 10. Variable value 2 is also assigned the value 10. Now, I call a method named addTwoIntegerValues, passing value 1 and value 2 by reference using the ref keyword. This allows the method to access and modify the original variables. Let's implement the method addTwoIntegerValues. It takes two ref integer parameters and returns the sum of value 1 and value 2. Finally, the returned result is stored in the result variable and printed to the console. Since value 1 and value 1 are both 10, the result will be 20. If we want to modify the value 1 is 20 inside the addTwoIntegerValues method, it will accept the change because the variable is passed by reference. As a result, the method will return the sum of 20 and 10, which is 30. And now, you've understood the concept of what ref is. The ref keyword allows a method to modify the original values of the variables passed to it, and useful when you want changes made inside a method to reflect outside as well. Now we'll see about out keyword. The out keyword is used to pass a variable by reference, similar to ref. The variable does not need to be initialized before being passed to the method. The method must assign a value to the out parameter before it returns, otherwise, a compile time error will occur. The method can only write to the out variable, it cannot use its original value. The out keyword supports one-way data flow, meaning the value is only assigned inside the method and returned to the caller. Use out when you want a method to return multiple values or assign a value to a variable passed from the caller. Let's modify the existing ref program by adding an out parameter to return the sum, while still using ref to modify the input variables. Added an out int sum parameter to return the sum. Kept ref for value 1 and value 2 so the method can modify the original variables. The method now sets sum with the addition of the modified values. In main method, declared int result and passed it as the out argument. Run the program and see the result. Here value is returned by out parameter. In C#, a method can only return one value directly using the return keyword. But using out parameters, you can effectively return multiple values because the caller will receive the values assigned inside the method. Conclusion: use ref when you're working with existing data. Use out when you want to return multiple values from a method. And hey, in modern C#, you can also return multiple values using tuples, which makes your code clean and easier to understand. That's it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Small Code Learns.